Adom 106.3 FM. Fabe was so. And then some go up no so I be home come on. So about this young home seven I am fan because adisua and a bit me ni pay through here mu edenaba ye die mu adisua education enti ye na baby I am ma eti esua de e ya de wo se hu hia wo ehu hia me enti ye na ya fa to ye ho so fa be wo so se ye bedi sanko na ene ye bowura amasama Bobby Kope mo amuni mo gidi se mabodi ni ye Bobby Kope na uko ho school dan a Nkola bako 120 ewa classroom bako school dan ne dan dada enye dan foforo e dan dada pa menka enada Tre amasamana Kobe Kope MA Basic School wa wako hoda no nim ewo Gan West Municipality na nkwala 120 in one classroom yes school dan foforo e de ama won school dan foforo chen na ene contractor no de key egu ne botom okọ yehwehwe na yehu ama nkwala ne gusa school dan dada nim na yese ukọ school ho a teacher e trade no na mofra ekura fan just a paper na wa mo say e de hu ne ho obe free school ho beba no na de ya kire nyina ba akokora nka ni tu na Adom News etu anamon ekọ ho ye reporter Kwejo Mensa Aburampa abekansa e wo studio ha ye behwe ne no e di enkomo e wo saa ensem yi e ho na de okoko hu ho no mfa ntodwa e man Kwejo akwa aba bibi aboko
obi bibi aboko
na otede ne
nyame na Adom boko
great enti ekọ ho na bade na ehui
obi se as we in school no ma school no one enrollment no osopa nti se ehwe class 3 there where 120 mo from 120 na 120
what class 3
class 6 where 97
why the whole area you one school no ho
onye one school na se ehwe efi Pobiman
yes
Sapema area ho na the school no ho na o hye nti o say o man krofo bebre woko school mu ho nti school kra why A and B nti A and B no o say nde wonyi adandodo a wote mbafam bogum nti na wonyina wozi wonu egu one classroom na se ekọ class wa obi o say wonyi
school ni nyina wo classrooms are him
or 6 unit classroom
6 unit
classroom that hand mo wotim wo suaze 6 unit classroom na mpemfu hu de se ehwe tebia wo mu na enrollment no kwa na orko so na o de wesi dan for
school for it was say about a year to build the new school block no
2016 na was
2016
until last year no we wesi dan na ewie
wa bodo wa ye bibi ewie
obi a ohwe Adom TV bia no ekọ YouTube abo hu wesi ewie cloud de dan no bibia ya set akada contractor no zekino ozeba ma
Benifuna na my school for na akom in the new one or how many rooms almost 6 unit but I don't know space
space say oy na say ehwe ma wotimu sesia na on shada anya dada obi a wotena mu suanza onye ye nti obotum a chemba fa
obotum a che wo
mu ebien na okura akofoforo na wesi ni mu na enkaifo no so watena baby a watena na wosu
na we nye space na ventilation no why ye from
abo ho na wetum esuaze na say edwani chire school mu a ehus GS in 70 teacher ni bia anya na adwen there oyu bezin komo na wanka say obi yes spy ho na rehwe mo orko na ewuda ampa school no ware bre azukru so ye wan obi PTA full see dan there work on meetings a ho no wo be wo meetings na oda na we si na ida assembly hall kakra bia we si school no dodo a wodo so nti was mo forma ni bi ekogu the school dan mu na school da me dan na we si no ejina mu 1 minute na se ntwa nhwe a obi na o che de yankopɔ do pa se wonja tokro bi anto dan na wesi no ho nti
dan na school for rekom
dan na we PTA fo
okay what be your meeting
we meetings wo mu no na what the school fo ni bi ko
what won bi akogum
what the school fo ni bi akogum nti what bi kogum no se PTA mpemfo se woyim de se wantoa dan no da amafama wo hia za obahwa abontinti onso wakoma bebia na entokro de da obotum eruhia adam fra obotum abonwu ina wesi wo ina nti dan mu yesum tede eyi
na amafama wo ma teachers wakọ kire wona
obi ti ye kwa no teacher na o de o kire mafama na azu wo dam o se da dam dan yi de ontumi nkire abofra azu wo nti dam dan no o ye holiday mo mafama wo gu abontin na wori za go dam
ono na student ban hin no wo
ono we 52
in them dan windows bi enye
window bi anu design block bi na wo de ye na wa to adoma we si nti ejinamu po mehu be bia board no ho
ehu blackboard
obi mi poi abontin na camera bi sam da was nso egun ho obi sam da was nso egun ho nti mafama no wankomu wo se teacher ni bomu wo se won tina na classroom nchiraze nti o mafama yina agu abontin ti dam ye ko ho Monday
yes
when na wo gu abontin a ebi se obi a wo se da edan ni mu ye hyew nti entumi hyaze na ekọ bebi a wo gu so wo hyaze na 124 no so teacher ni charge na also what we find one book no
it's a culture in Ghana I was say hwe na yetimi esia no say ye project a ye nyanwie obehwe contractor ye ntwia meka na or the keys egu ne bottom ebi also ye wie project ne bibia yes ye twen commissioning na school nkwalada sugu edan dadam na school fufuro esi obi asende me pictures tashi he ya ensem ye beba eno nso so edan fufuro a yesi ewo ho na amanfo egu dan dadam ewo tashi he ya Salem Presbyterian Basic School. And a school nkwala no eja won nan ewo refuse dump so abra yesi a new ultra modern KVIP ede amawon odwen ho a wote ase a enye yi and ma yebekwa ne yakwakotie voices na yenu abrompa ede eba eminu sa on school management committee
meni on secretary kasa na PT organizer
and PT organizer so edi nkomo yentie won wen nsem omo efa saade yi ho
Chamsia they am feel comfortable.
Your class ya na oshode
Amai na yare
say on find the boy.
Teacher crèche la dia. Ma ya ye waiting cry ya drink currency the teacher ni crèche no.
It's raw by since on be new building no my name kum.
What I can say is that the building, when they complete it, only thing we are expecting to open it quickly for the children to come and use it, but they say that they didn't pay the contractor. So this is the issue. We pursue up to today date. We are not hearing anything. We don't know what is going on.
The building was completed last year. That is all. We went to the office, the education office, as well as the this municipality, the office, where they say for that they have to come and inspect everything.
Enti SMC secretary any PTA mpanyifo na school for na nkasa bi enso na ekasa na enei inyema yi mu nso no minim the kinds of standards a this school dan enti obehwe 6 unit classroom blocks ewo Ghana no na window papa ye nim se ye si dan a window papa wo ho dabi edan na edi kan kanea enim na ya san so aye windows bi a wa utimi se eye ehwe ya the typical 6 unit classroom block ewo Ghana blocks na bia ntokron kakra eda ho na ye de aye window ba ko na ekura mi phone yi so yi ndimo a mo hwe yen no mo behu on camera it is your typical 6 unit classroom block window na ya ma school fo akwa akogum so mo nkonko sua de it just doesn't make sense and ya de a ewo say ye hwe na ekwan ye fa so 6 unit classroom blocks in Ghana ye hwe ka ho asem yi the standards would have to change because a kania enim na o man kwalai kwatena ade we mu a no proper ventilation inti ade a osua no hwe enko ne trim ma me nkwa homa no so ye bedi nkomo aba Emmanuel Tetemensa chartered procurement practitioner yen hwe ne no eni nkomo some of these issues no ade o mudi ho dwuma ora ima ye mo akwa aba ko Jason Samsoni
Obi, good morning.
Bibi aboko de
Nyamena Adumo, I want to then.
Nyamena Adumo, Bibi aboko.
Easy, na takwado.
Na asama oda yana pondo nde. Oh yeah, one. school dan a yesi ewie contractor the keys na gu ni bottom the ko yehwehwe na yehu no den poti ne betimi de saade ya ba say yentua ne ka on raise certificate nwe what can be the cause?
Thank you very much. From the onset, problems no doors. Most often, contractors, one will mobilize resources to start the project. And when this is done, there's always problem with payments. Normally, payments are made in 40% to start, and then 40% to complete, and then the retention. But more in the contractors in the bank, no loan now. No what they are. I aban into Muntian counting some Tembian or what one. Work free materials, no what down what come into a real not a buyer, some international fee there until that aban butcher and account on for keys number. But now, so I'm there, I should need that project managers are. Why assign one for the project? Project manager
and mostly the project managers no assemblies were.
The project managers should be on site for every big project. There should be a project manager assigned to the project. And the project manager coordinate all the activities related to the project.
And that project manager mostly staff of the assemblies, right?
No. Project manager acts as a consultant.
Okay.
So I don't know, supervise or coordinate all the activities regarding to human resource requirements, materials that will be needed for the project, chasing for the payments, etc. Jim FM. And project manager one sign that no role no are effective. Then this lapse is coming.
Yes.
It's a project manager then he will be liaising with the government, the paying authorities. They will contract an enigma to this 40% completion until we raise interim payment certificate. Then the project manager have to chase for the payment while the contractor continues the work. But more often than not, project when assign project managers to the project, they leave everything in the hands of the contractor. Contractor no our limitation. All you do baby no way like this new DBRC incident that happened. They were dealing with the contractor. Where is the project manager? Look at Adenta Medina overpass. Where a footbridge. It has been abandoned. Where is the project manager? They will be looking for the contractor. And so these are some of the lapses in the system.
But in the specific case, you deal with an the project is completed. Where's the school done?
Good.
Or them more from Manukum. But the structure is under locks. Yenya keys from the contractor to open. What can happen? Or there we raise certificate, but won't you and the cow another then?
That is precisely one of the causes.
Okay.
It's precisely one of the causes. When it comes there now, district assembly what is their role? Because the district assembly they have a project officer whose supervision is to ensure that all the projects under the district are catered for. Who does the monitoring? Who does the evaluation? To confirm that this project has been completed or this project is about to be completed. And then they will notify the authorities. I believe, and I am surely that their contractor is using this as a bait. When some kind of payment, don't release the key.
Release the key. The other thing, the other thing they find out there. The normal process then say any contract contractor in presenting a certificate say a hand over project to 1 hour contract and then we try our now there a raise certificate new we try our and send a formal handing over dama.
Yes, it depends upon the terms and conditions relating to the contract.
Okay.
Certain terms and conditions relating to contract will indicate that when the project is completed, depending upon the agency attached to the project, they will let the children occupy the premises until such time they obey official inauguration. So those contingencies are done. There are instances that there will be a training where payment and some officially will commission the building. And so all these are part of the terms and conditions relating to the contract. And for this project, it is wrong that the contractor has to take the keys and deny the children access to the premises. It's wrong. Professionally, it's wrong. Because of the emergency nature of the situation, Ewa? Yes, they have to use the premises. In fact, I blame the district assembly for not playing that role because they are there. Ewa, they are there. And the district assembly should have a project officer whose role is to ensure that at least he will be monitoring and then reporting on the progress of work with regards to the project, and then trace it up with the liaise with the project manager on the assignment. And to say if there's a missing link, these are some of the factors that will occur. This might be a silly question, but is it possible there we school than any ma students now come with question because we need to use the facility? Oh, it's one of the possibilities that can be done. Because them are former over 100 and something or one classroom, health wise, health and safety wise. In terms of health, their health and safety, it is not the best. And even the outside word to put today be them out. Maybe somewhere in the Bota region, we see school down the mile, no was commission, penny commission, but for man was in Trapado. No local school or I think local school in the open. Until there, press in the capture and sana woman go ahead the one way. Until these things must not continue. In fact, it's not the best. I think the contractor should be brought to book. Mate, ma yenshana yenfa NC na yenda. Na you Mpotopi, I add a point on this Medina Adenta footbridge issue. No. As a project manager, I want to suggest strongly there, as an interim measure, the Minister for Roads should ensure that speed ramps are mounted on the road urgently. For between a 50-meter distances, there should be speed ramps, which should be mounted immediately, and then the whole footbridge should be brought down. The footbridge in our it's not fit for purpose. Meaning there, we don't have to complete them again. We should pull all of them down. From a professional point of view, they have to pull the whole structure down because this structure has been there for years. If I'm not mistaken, it's more than 5 years. And then looking at the weather effect, rain setting in, sun, I believe strongly that the structure may not be too strong. And then looking at the way Adenta Medina is highly densely populated, in fact, the structure as it is there cannot cope with the volume of people who will use it. And so I will suggest from a professional point of view that when pulling it down now, it should be rebuilt from ground zero. Yes, and they should use the structure similar to what is at the Tekwasi. Because that one will allow a lot of people to use it. Let's look at Kaneshie. The structure at Kaneshie is similar to Tekwasi. But the one at Medina, what is hanging there, cannot cope with the population over there. If you look at the number of people who ply that route. Okay. Ora Emmanuel Tetemensa, Yenshani Infancy, Yabasani Yabin. Okay. Yeah, that's it. Papa. No problem. Chartered procurement practitioner Emmanuel Tetemensa and Amoten and Kasianeno Edin Komo, giving us some very interesting perspectives. But I said, yeah, can and baby phone lines on Monsu Amutia, ebia we similar experience. Project be our area, especially schools. Schools are old one, Nunkwale Gumu Utimu say, or more life at risk. But yes, if fro ewa wa ye me ebini de ye ka ho aseme wo amasaman school ni din cry is it Kobikope MA basic school. Yes, yeah, try see a Benya municipal chief executive and then the municipal engineer and the coordinating director and one Edin Komo. It has proven futile so far. Omunyina dundum won phones. Ye fra ye nya won. Sisi ana kwa ba asia ba bisi won nan so bi. Hawa ye kom bra ye ehun. Ye mfi ho. Ye fi kronimu na ye call municipal assembly ho. Ye ko ho no na wase MC ni ho. Ni ye ko hu municipal coordinator. Municipal coordinator nti Habib Muhammad. Ni enyu ezin koma na ye da
problem ne di cheren ye ka cheren no o so da yan twena municipal engineer na project ne shane sa o rehwado na o friend engineer ma obey engineer ba ye ni zinkomo no so da contractor no say ye case o northern region na contractor ne se da o the key no sa afi no o zaman obi there on fambre assembly no until then pakun na contractor ne say
key na ma no o de beba no
onya mgbe.
And clearly, no how you manage project in our country. Said you run means you know a problem. You be man a contract. No, so we now the bar fine, one farmer fine. Not yet. So it is something that has got to change. Say you per se is serious in this country, and your man Dawson project management in general. I was say yes, you are standards. This is school are dying in particular. Baby, I did a more frama ekogu. No proper ventilation kania eni ho yenya boulders be this is impomana na yeko it's not proper ya dey was sesa ye wienso how we hand over projects no ema beneficiary communities ni enya ehon fato no ye nhwe ne ye ebi ne ye ka ewo Teshi Salem Presby ye see modern KVIP papa esiwa ye me ano na nkola eja wonan ewo refuse dump so it just doesn't make sense. I was here na ye ka ho asem be phone line 0302 216 561 0302 216 561 and 0302 216 562. Yeah, farmer calls or similar experience be anu ama
how am go.
Yes.
Say mpemfu ehu there mboframa baby what is nyaz no ye nti ode ye sida ma na esida na ewie na safwa as kiss as atro adanano na how nte anam no me sida no say azi sit adna be obi be say double
jeopardy. It is I was said dining in ebu ani kro mumu ani na nkwala no entumi enkom. First caller ba me yenhwe ne yemfa no. Good morning.
Minia Obi.
Aha,
na me asumdwe enkamuna.
Ebin kan so wodi ni baby a wo kasa fi.
Me pato ye frame Obama, me kasa fi subu.
Obama wo so hum me ntio.
Yo, me na kwaja ma me cham MC, ono mageda ko da ko na me cham MP ono for the corporation. Minia, en sama ya modi atuba masuni. Eya sama ehia papa na penifo etu mo na nsio. Minia, denji na ayesi school dan e kan wo. Overcrowded. What I say, it's not a yes school that the contractor, I am a contract. What's there? That's all the kids, and then baby. Oh, my, I am yes school. What's the sense in it? What I say, Musori, I must say, Juma, your mamma Juma, so I'm up and I'm here. But I make us a penny for Mencio. The delay, what delay school now, school is mean years, really. If penny function, I want to link the Sikabi on my what is what I thought so because I am not say, Sabio, what's dying, and I say, I'm a contract. That's why you can't the Juana. That's how the safari and baby to say I'm power chance for kidney brands and MBA. Then use one. And for Subian,
say Ebin so in tria on also car in the say share both sides. Good morning.
Good morning.
Me ba cho hwan ni.
About your friend community.
O kasa friend.
Kasa friend acho.
Okay, hacho me ntio.
Hacho papa. School down almost apprenti every. Since last year we spent up to now. Omumiano.
Was it hacho hefa?
Hacho papa.
Hacho papa.
Aye. So you bet me asoma for the mama.
6 unit classroom block ana.
6 unit classroom.
Omusi de ma school be dan.
Presby. Papa Presby. Almost apprenti SGC do so be. But you know omu school, omu and kwala no so much more old building.
Oh, okay.
1 and 2 and 3. Omu na much more. A JHS 1. One year about 70, and it was school, I work classroom. And I'm wife for 90 plus.
90 plus.
Baby, no, she was here, I'll be in you know, someone you said,
Mate, yeah, that's it. Yeah, that's it for that information. Good morning.
Good morning.
Me pacho wine me nyanu.
Me pacho oberema ba ku pe ka gana ha. Ke kira ho fe obosuma se ekuya pim.
Me ntie we.
Yo, you the kind of memo money papa we. I mean for free so that means Gana man penina da ye John Ramani Mahama don't this year. I mean for papa. Milia, I na me discussing Ghana no. Se bi previous sam. Ye dia bo ana se ye su ani ye ban ana se name. Nti e meka sa no. Somebody bi won say what here. Who ni ti who ni nine. sebi mpede se mofra o mo bon kro no sebi to mo tumi ye na se ne to mo tumi ye na mpenufo a o mo ti o mayim sebi mpede se na o man timamfo de hu ihe o de a na mi bi ha menti ati na me nyina no me de subo no boye timamfo so adanti na me kansa sebi mpede se Ghana fo se gai NDC na MPP a Ghana beye no korpa na me ka to no adanti me ka sa party ebie no o mo di abro na kapopo apa you know ka say that biera say 4 years 8 years o MPP so a just NDC mbana NDC ba 4 years 8 years just MPP mbana Ghana fu ye NDC MPP sana o sa party ebie no omo di abro awo Ghana ha ye hu ye ti hu ye na nyama ye Ghana ha na nka amano fu ka batuma be bosia ho asan say ye sunu ye na ye nye tom wo man ni ye ti ama ye tinie ye tie ne
Okay. This final call now. Good morning.
Morning.
Me pacho hwani.
You from me Pani because that's free enum.
Pani or enum. Ma yentio.
Enum.
Me yentio.
Now kind on the question I'm in where the nipa 120. Omogu school dan ba kuma de.
Jim FM.
The DCU say MP no you know from Hunjimina and Colano and Corda and Mukusi Adena on top. Send Colano for Dika say, Ombi Adena, Washoni Identity Gray, Niatron and Comutino, no planning Yamin Makaka. Now, when you say the politics say, Aban Wina, Washa, now Winston time and we win a bit Diano, there be a time, high Banone and Colano that. You, yes,
pa yen to me for calls DBO 50 after 8, 10 more minutes at 9 a.m. Fabio also any day Ebrewi Roma insecticide spray and coil adomonline.com DBS roofing sheet Franco Trading Enterprise and a Vita Milk. Omone so na same ye de Fabio also Ebremo. Ye beto aso Monday said ye munim no na ye another exciting edition of Fabio also de Abremo. Ye na ne homra ye ba ye to aso just nsem ne e wa dom 106.3 FM.
Bema, nesika no musida.